If you don't fix how you handle objections, you are not going to survive in this market. And I'm not being dramatic, it's just the truth. Look around you. SDRs are being cut fast right now. And the reps who crumble the moment they hear not interested, they're the first to go. Not interested shouldn't shut you down. Send me info shouldn't leave you scrambling. But for most SDRs, it does. And that's exactly why I created the Misfit Objection Handling Masterclass, specifically for reps like you, struggling SDRs, under pressure, hungry to win. Inside, I'll teach you exactly how to respond with calm, control, and confidence. If you're serious about hitting quota and getting promoted fast, this is where it starts. Click below and enroll now before another month slips away. Back to the video. Here's what most SDRs don't get. Objections are not the enemy. You freeze up, you ramble, or worse, you get defensive. That's what kills the call. I remember coaching a guy named Lewis, super sharp, hungry to win, but every call he'd crumble the second the prospect pushed back. One objection and he'd spiral into panic mode. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Objections are a test. If you fail it, you're just another rep they forget in about 5 seconds flat. But if you pass, you stand out, you take control, and then you win. Let's break down a method I've named CPR. C, confirm the objection. Don't run from it. Embrace it. Totally hear that. Sounds like this might not be a priority right now. P, probe for context. Instead of moving on, you want to dig deeper. Can I ask, what's behind that? Are you already working with someone or just not exploring this at the moment? R, reposition with value. Once you understand the real reason, flip it. Totally makes sense. A lot of teams I speak to say the same until they realize they're leaking X hours a week doing it manually. This structure gives you control. It slows the conversation down, creates space, and shows the buyer that you are actually listening, not pitching. Lewis started using CPR on his very next cold call. The buyer said, not interested. Instead of bailing, he confirmed, probed, and repositioned. That turned into a booked meeting. Then another, then another. The floodgates opened. So guys, let's make this real. Here's what I want you to start implementing today. Number 1, stop reacting, start diagnosing. Objections are clues. Treat them like pieces of intelligence, not attacks. Number 2, use CPR on every pack. Confirm, probe, reposition. Build that muscle. And number 3, practice it under pressure. Don't just drill this in role play. Use it live. Track it. Get feedback. That's what's going to set you apart. This isn't about being slick. It's about being in control, right? And when you're in control, you're dangerous. Let me warn you, none of this matters if you're still making this one cold call mistake that triggers objections in the first place. It's a silent killer, and most SDRs don't even know they're doing it. I break it down step by step in my next video while you're still getting not interested, the brutal truth. Click it now. Let's fix it.